So could you share a little bit about your historical experience with trading and investing?
And I didn't know when to go in and when to come out. And sometimes I would invest and they'd go up by 30, 40%. And I'd think, no, it's going to go up more, and they'll bomb. And that's how it's been.
Thank you. And what are your thoughts and experience on the Great Investments Program and PipsPredator program so far?
It's been great. Absolutely mind-blowing. I've learned how to invest wisely.
How has your performance in results been so far in profits?
Right, let me tell you first of all, I had lots of stocks. In fact, I've got lots of stocks that I had bought historically, very well indeed. So I'm